Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to replace the wiper seal on our 400 series pop-up sprinklers. The way to tell that this is the sprinkler that requires this kind of wiper seal is it will just show the Orbit logo on the top. Another option that you have is our hardtop sprinklers, they have this solid metal top. It's painted dark green, and then also the soft top versions, which is a sort of rubberized top that's a light green. So this is compatible with all of those versions. The way to change it is very simple. You're basically just going to remove the cap, and in there you'll see the old wiper seal. Just pull that out with the housing. This housing probably stays in the ground. Pull out the sprinkler, and then you basically just need to remove the nozzle so that you can slowly release this. Pull out the old wiper seal. Here's the new one. It just seats right there in the spring. Put the nozzle back on to hold it in place, and then you basically just assemble it from there. You're set to go. So that's how you do that. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below, and we would be happy to help.